Did you know that people with diabetes can enjoy fruit without fear? Stay tuned to discover how to make the best choices for your health. There's a common misconception that people with diabetes must avoid fruit. But the truth is, it's all about making smarter choices. Fruit contains natural sugars, which can raise blood sugar levels. Frequent spikes can elevate your A1C, a key measure of diabetes management. However, fruit can still be a healthy part of a balanced diet for people with diabetes. The key is to pick the right fruits and manage portion sizes. We spoke to dietitians who shared insights on the best and worst fruits for diabetes. Let's dive into their expert advice. All fruits have healthy qualities, even if you have diabetes, says Zui Fienman, RD. They are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The glycemic index is crucial. It measures how quickly food is digested and absorbed into the bloodstream, affecting blood sugar levels. Some fruits, like mangoes and bananas, are high in natural sugars and can cause spikes. Serving size matters, so think small portions. Avoid canned fruits and syrup and be cautious with dried fruits, as they concentrate sugars. Opt for fresh, whole fruits instead. Beneficial fruits like berries, apples, and pears are lower on the glycemic index and packed with nutrients. Combine them with protein for better control. Remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on fruit. It's about making informed choices. Stay healthy and enjoy your fruits wisely.